All right, we are out here. This is going to be, inshallah, our land that we are going to be purchasing and building our home.
They want $500.
Oh, what is this, holly? Yeah, this is a holly bush. Yeah. But you got a few pines, some oak. There's a nice big oak for some beams. That's a dead tree, ready to go.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And we're only about 1/3 of the way in.
It gets a little thick. Yeah, so it gets even thicker.
You hear that? Just listen. No. It was just the tree blowing in the wind. Oh, the croaking. Yeah, that was it. That was the croaking of it. Croaking of the wood. Oh man, look how this just grades down like that. We could have some nice gardening trails, some nice trails through here.
Yeah, 3 acres. Big or something.
I mean, it's not not that big, but if we get the other lot.
It's big enough. Man, people living on top of each other where I'm from.
I don't know if you can really see how that goes down there, but nice little drop. All right, let's try to make our way back some more. Oh, that's so beautiful, though. Wow, I wonder how this. Well, I'm gonna have to take a look at the. Trying to find a nice flat spot to build on.
You have to make them like there is no flat spot.
But that's okay then. If we use one of these ledges, then we can have like a overlook. Yeah, like a deck that overlook, raised deck.
Oh, you see me over here trying to get my life together? Yeah, a clearing would be nice. If you know any Moors or any saws, you don't need those. A nice sawmill would be nice.
Make sure you, because we've had some warm weather, so look out for snakes.
Treading through the forest, all cautionary lights. I used to be down with it. Now I can't look up for more.